Why does your scanner show the P1339 engine code? And what does it mean? The P1339 engine error code stands for the crankshaft position, or engine speed sensor cross-connected. It indicates that the ECM has detected a malfunction within the crankshaft position sensor. If you receive this code, you should stop driving and have your vehicle repaired immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Incorrect wiring, faulty CKP sensor, damaged connectors, mechanical timing issues, faulty camshaft position sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW models, Citroën, Peugeot, and Mini Cooper. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.